Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making quick and easy flatbreads. That's right, in under an hour you will have delicious, chewy flatbreads. Do you want to make them into gyros? Do you want to use them while you're cooking some Indian food? Why yes, indeed. Do you want to have them just to tear apart and eat plain? Or dip them into a yummy hummus? Sounds utterly delicious. We're also making them because na 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 na, na 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 na, hey hey hey, we're making naan or flatbread. We're gonna start by mixing the very few ingredients together, and then we're gonna let it rest for 30 minutes, shape them, put them in a dry skillet. You don't even need butter or oil for that. And away we go. We have flatbreads or naan. 3/4 cup lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 cups of bread flour, 1.5 teaspoons yeast, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix by hand or on medium speed for about 30 to 45 seconds. Take 2 tablespoons of bread flour and lightly dust your surface into like a 12-inch round. Your dough at this point should be very shaggy, which it is, and we're going to go ahead and move it to the middle of this circle. Knead by hand for about 2 to 3 minutes until it feels springy and isn't so sticky. See how sticky it is. Add a little bit of extra flour if you need to. And the dough should be springy, which it is, and it should be slightly tacky, but just not sticky. Take your bowl you mixed it in or grab a bowl, turn it upside down on top of your dough. Let's wait 30 minutes. The reveal. Woo! Look at that. Got nice and puffy. Perfect. Now we're going to divide it into 8 equal pieces. Roll them into balls. So we can do this the mathematical way with a scale, which I love to do and use it all the time now, or you can just cut it into pieces. The choice is yours. I'm going to try to do it a little bit mathematically here. Each piece should be about 55 to 60 grams. 59, perfect. Put this over to the side. Cover and let rest for 5 minutes. While the naan/flatbread dough balls rest for that 5 minutes, go ahead, get your electric griddle out, heat it up to 325 degrees, or use a skillet on top of the stove like I'll be doing. Get that at medium heat so it's nice and hot and ready to go. Okay, now we're going to roll each one out into about 6 inches. Use a little extra flour down on your work surface if you need it. The balls are still a little sticky, and that's okay. So you see the 6 inches here? So you can use your hands just to pat it out. I'm going to use a rolling pin to help me. Remember, no oil, no butter. About 2 to 3 minutes per side. Look how it's bubbling up. Perfect. Look how puffy it got. Flip it over. Ooh, lovely. Oh, look at that. Lovely. Look at this. I mean, look at this. Look how delicious these look. In under an hour, I made 8 flatbread/naan. Let's taste them. My flatbread/naan may not be a perfect circle or oval, but you know what it is? It is soft. It has great color. Ooh. We gotta tear it apart. Love those big bubbles that it made. Ooh, look at that. Let's tear off a bite. Get your hummus, baba ganoush, olive oil mixture, gyro meats, whatever you want, get it ready because you're going to want it with this pretty much immediately. If I can make these naan/flatbreads for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram at Jen's Daily Dish and more. And share with your family and friends so everybody can have naan. Yes.